If you're encountering difficulty signing out of your Apple ID and receiving a message indicating that sign out is restricted, you've landed in the right place. Allow me to guide you through resolving this issue effortlessly. The initial step involves navigating back to the primary settings page and locating the screen time option. Once there, proceed to the bottom of the screen time settings and tap on the Turn Off Screen Time button. You'll then be prompted to input your screen time passcode, which you previously set up. Enter this passcode to deactivate the screen time feature on your iPhone or iPad and confirm your decision. With the screen time feature successfully disabled, return to your Apple ID settings. You'll notice that the Sign Out button is no longer grayed out. It's now clickable. Click on it, and if prompted, input your Apple ID password to complete the sign out process. That's how you can resolve this issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more informative content in the future. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.